If you're preparing for the RRB NTPC exam, here's a solid plan to help you get started. The exam has 2 stages. Stage 1 is a computer-based test with 3 sections: general awareness, mathematics, and general intelligence and reasoning, totaling 100 marks. Stage 2 follows a similar pattern but is more in-depth, with 120 marks. There's also a skill test and document verification for certain posts. Both stages have negative marking, so accuracy is key. For the syllabus breakdown in mathematics, focus on arithmetic, algebra, geometry, and data interpretation. In general awareness, cover current affairs, history, geography, and polity. For reasoning, study topics like coding, decoding, puzzles, analogies, and logical reasoning. Prioritize high-scoring topics like simplification in math and current affairs in GA. Now, let's talk about your study schedule. In the morning, spend 1 to 2 hours on mathematics and practice 30 to 40 questions daily. In the afternoon, dedicate 1 hour to general awareness, current affairs, newspaper reading, or online quizzes. In the evening, focus on reasoning for an hour. Puzzles and mock tests should be a regular part of your routine. Give at least 1 hour daily for revision. For the best books to use for mathematics, Quantitative Aptitude by R.S. Aggarwal is a must. For general awareness, go for Lucent's General Knowledge. For reasoning, A Modern Approach to Verbal and Nonverbal Reasoning by R.S. Aggarwal is a solid choice. Don't forget to practice mock tests from platforms like Testbook or All Aboard. Finally, here are some time management tips. Set a timer for each section during your practice tests. Prioritize accuracy. Don't rush through questions. Focus on improving speed gradually. Divide your preparation time between learning, revising, and taking mock tests to identify weak areas. Consistency is the key. Stick to your schedule, stay focused, and you'll see results. Good luck!